Hey guys, we're back here at T.S Auto Repair looking at a 2004 GMC Savana van that needs to be repainted complete as what the owner wants because of some rust spots on the quarter. Pretty much sure this one is a hole there, so we need to put a patch on it. There is another one where the license plate holder goes. As we take a quick look around, you can see exactly what I'm talking about. On the quarter panel there's another one, wheel well, bottom of the doors, rocker panels, hinges. The hood was repainted before and it's a mismatched color, so that will be corrected in this complete paint job. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Our van is almost ready to go in the boot and our guys will be having some fun in there. Just let me know what you think.
Right on, and then move on the side before we take up. We got to stop. Go over. And I think that. Wait, man, we're good, man. We're good. Alright. We're good. Coming up at one second. And then we got to say, but you have to go on. Ready? Good. Yes. We can. You remember? No.
You fly out, man. You're fucked up.
You remember just no, relax that play. You walk, man.
Because tire, you put the grease inside to stick. And the paint shine and roll the tire. Roll the. And like the people they home dito
For this specific job here, we'll be using a urethane base white, which you will see in the end, the looks, the quality, the sheen. It's a beautiful white, I can't lie, because white comes in many different shades. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can comment, like, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until our another video, bye.